Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring the course that is related to the forensic science, and around 4 courses are available under this category, and these courses are fall into the introductory part and also to the advanced level. So guys, stay connected to the video and I will tell you that where these courses are available and how to enroll for these courses, and the certification also provide freely on these courses. So we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. Now we'll move on to the content. See here. So one by one I will tell you all 4 courses, and link for this course also I will provide in the description part, so don't worry about it. Now our first course is here, the forensic science and fingerprint. See here, the free statement of participation on completion, and this course duration is 10-hour study and level 1 course, that is introductory part. And see here, the other information are available here. So this is our first course, and our next course is Introduction to Forensic Engineering. See here, on this course also certificate will be provided freely, and 20-hour duration course, and this course is level 3 course, that is advanced level course. See here, this our course description, information about course content. You can see the course content, what are the topics it covers, and the course review. These are the reviews provided by many students, so you can learn this. Now we'll move on to the third course, that is forensic psychology. This course duration is 24-hour studies here, and the course is level 1, that is introductory. See here, the certification also provided freely, and these are the description of this course, all this, and the course content. You can see the course review. See here, 8-week course. So this is our third course. Now move on to the fourth course, that is digital forensic. See here, and this course is about 8 hours study, and the level 3, that is advanced level course is this is. And see the course description, course content, and see the course review, that what type of reviews the students provide about this course. So these are the 4 courses. Now I will tell you that how you can enroll for this course and how you can learn. So any one course I will tell you for example purpose, remaining you can follow the same step for the other courses also, and you can get the course. Okay, so first we have to create the account, because we are new to this website, that's why we will go to the create account option, click on it, then the new page will be open. If you're new visitor, then go here, select create account, then it will ask for sign up option. See here, it asks for location, select your location and enter it, save your location. Now provide the information, that is title, your forename, surname, date of birth, email address, retype your email address, phone number, password, and retype the same password. And are you considering study with the OU? If you are studying on this, then you can select yeah, I am currently an OU student, or I have completed a course with OU. If not, then select the no. Okay, so after filling the information, you can select this option and click on yes button. Would you like to hear from us? If you need further information on your email, they will share you the update regarding the new courses and other course information. If you don't want, then select the no, otherwise select the yes button, then click on submit option. So it will show thank you for creating an open university account. So you can go to the sign in option to log in. Your username is email address, so put your email address here and enter the password, then go to the sign in option. So after sign in option, click on enter course. So after that, you can click on enroll now option. So after clicking on enroll now option, you can learn this course, and you can get the certificate also free. If you won't click on enroll now here, then you will not get the certificate. You can just study the content. Okay, so careful about that. In this way you can finish this course and get the certificate after completing this content. And the similar pattern you can follow for the remaining courses, same pattern. And one thing, you already have account, so no need to do again sign up option. You can select the course and learn it. That's all. So in this way you can enroll for these courses and get the certificate for each courses. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. And if you feel any problem regarding this course or enrollment option, then please comment below down so that I will help you out for that problem. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Thank you so much for watching our video.